Alright, so right here you see the net that Jason and I put up. It's ready. We're going to move the eggmobile into this net tomorrow morning, but we have two sections of the poultry netting here daisy chained together. We got a space opened up where we'll bring the eggmobile in the morning, and there are the cows right there in their next paddock for the next day. Alright, gonna be hooked up. We'll bring the battery out in the morning. That'll be good to go. We're going to add a little air to this tire on the eggmobile before we take it out to pasture. All right, that's good. All right, let's go. Let's take this eggmobile. We're going right over there. close this netting back up. We've been using this netting from Premier One for a while now. We really like it. Keeps all the chickens and everything in the same place. But look what we did. We just closed in the dog. So now I got to go catch the dog and get her out of here. So there we go. We have our DC battery, our deep cell, our deep cycle marine battery with our DC charger here hooked up. We've got our ground rod that's also using to hang our charger, and the charger hot wire just connects right here to this fence or this netting by Premier One, and now you got a hot fence. So these chickens will stay right here. This is again 2 nets by Premier One. They are daisy chained together. We really like the nets and what they allow us to do on the farm. As you can see, our cows are in paddock. Right here is one cross fence. If you can see it over there by that blue watering tank, that's the next cross fence, and so they have this area right here to graze today. And we will, or moved them over here last night, but we'll graze all day today and move them this afternoon. It's another great morning on the farm. Chilly, low 40s. Loving it, loving this weather, loving this cool weather, and thank y'all for tagging along today on our YouTube. So see you next time.